Welcome back, everybody, to day number 11. We got a lot of exciting things planned right after the intro. Alright, you guys, this morning I slept in a little bit and just try to kind of take it easy and get a little bit of extra Z's on the eye since I go to bed so late. But Lifting Bella and I are headed to the gym to go shoot a workout video for her. She's going to promote herself as far as like her fitness talent and trying to share that with other people. So I'm going to incorporate my videography with her fitness magic, and we should be able to come up with something ingenious. So let's get down the road and see how that turns out. Hey you guys, I just got done shooting that video at Second Loop Gym. I think it's going to turn out really well for Christina, and she'll have a video that she can share with people and help them with their fitness journey. My boss gave me a phone call this morning and asked me to check out the speaker system inside of Ladies over here. So I'm going to run inside of there and check it and see what's wrong with it. Apparently their headset's not working, so I just got to look at it and see if somebody's been playing with the controls and set them the way they're supposed to do. So let's get inside there and make that happen. Hey guys, we are inside a Ladies Gym and we are looking at these controls. A couple things that I've done to kind of keep an eye on people, make sure they're not messing with it, is I've colored in where I want all the different knobs to be at, and it looks like nobody's messed with it. The apparent problem is with this mic right here. When the ladies are teaching the classes, they like to use a mic to kind of call out, I hate to use the word commands, but just like different exercises, I suppose. And she said that it just wasn't working correctly, so I'm going to set this up and test it myself, and it may or may not be working correctly, but if not, then I'll fix it. So one thing I noticed was the battery was removed, so I'm going to put the battery in it. That might be the only problem, was the battery was weak, or maybe they didn't have it in there and it wasn't working. It just kind of depends. Flip it to the on. Looks like we got the red light. Testing. 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Yep, it appears to be working. So that wraps it up for here at Ladies. I'm gonna head back to the house and start editing that video and see how it turns out. So let's get down the road, y'all. I shot them clips for Christina earlier this morning for her challenge that she's putting together for some people, and one of the shots didn't actually start recording when I pushed the button, so we got to go back over there and reshoot one shot while she still has those clothes on. So that's what I'm doing right now, is driving over to Second Loop Gym. You ready to go Chuck E. Cheese? Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you guys are liking my content and you want to see more, please hit the like, follow, subscribe button down below. And until tomorrow, peace out.